How real estate agents across the world are using the international real estate model and getting 40 to 12k in commissions. Well, let's be honest. The rest is done. You're locked into your own country and you're only to buy the amount of customers you actually get. And I feel like 4 to 6% returns don't sound that good anymore. Am I right? Well, look, what if I told you about an opportunity that you can use to get your investors into a location and an opportunity with high returns and maybe a nice looking villa or an apartment. And here's the best part: if you'd like to go into this, you can from anywhere in the world since it's Dubai and 99% of things in the Dubai real market are digitalized. And our company is also partnered with 99% of the developers in Dubai. We also have our own platform, and our developers is on selling, marketing, and presenting. And just for context, this took years to get this well connected and to learn all of this. So this saves around 2 to 3 years of walking around, spamming LinkedIn connection requests and calling. We also have exclusive terms with developers, and our commissions range from 2 to 7% on deals, with bonuses coming obviously if you close more units. We also can offer concierge services to your investors to enhance their overall trip to the UAE and their investment and travel regarding hotels, drivers, attractions, for example, a helicopter ride through Palm Jumeirah or through a select location where the actual development they'd like to invest in is. If any of this sparks a thought in your mind, I will leave a link down below where you fill out the form and I'll contact you and we'll get started. Now I'll walk you through our platform. Okay, nice. Now we're in our own platform. I had to move the camera a bit so you can see all of this. Here you can see all the projects in the UAE. You can also filter them by the price, the status, how many rooms there are, and the property type, area, floor, and handover date. And here, if you'd like to see specific developments from developers, just put a name in. For example, let's do Nakhil. Boom, apply. Now you see Nakhil developments. And here, for example, you click, and here you see the price, starting from 1 million USD. Here there are all the renders that you're gonna use in your marketing to both your investors. There's also a video part that I won't open since that'll take a long time. Here you can see the price of 1 bedroom and a 2 bedroom. Here we can go into an overview. Here there is the price, the area, starting, and the AI rating of that development with the building rating as well, and the date of the handover, how many floors there are, and the type of property. For now, it's apartments only. Here, there's the price, there's the area, 1,401 square feet. Some text around it. Here, if you'd like to, you can get a summary about development. And here are conveniences and securities all around. For example, here, there's a gym, a health club, and a swimming pool, which is pretty nice in my opinion. Here there's accessibility by car. Here you can just see how far are you by car from these locations. The IFC 90 minutes, Dubai Marina 8 minutes, which is very nice. And here you can also see the payment plan. And from 40% you can actually resell the project. There's the AI that I mentioned, and if you actually invest in the property here, you'll get a golden visa. There's the layout of the units and the master plan and also the location. And if you'd also like to, you can generate a presentation later down the line. I'll show that on a different project. Here I can show you inside access. I'll put a password in, give me a second. Now, see, there is the developer and the commission. Okay, now we're back at it again. Here you can see specific data about the cities, for example, as Dubai. Here you can see, wait, I'll just talk about when loads in. You can see the average price square feet, unit price, unit size, inflation, etc. Basically here there's all the details you need about the specific city. Now we can go into districts, and here we can filter also by the rental yield, the square foot price, unit price as well. There's the infrastructure as well. As you can see, are just specific buildings. And yeah, here you can also just research anything you want. And here there's the currency, the square feet, etc. So if you'd like access to this, please contact me down below, and I'll sort out the access and the overall process post, get involved with us, and yeah, hopefully we'll work together. See you.